have to copy all the text that is in the last file that you download. Once you copy all the text, you will have to paste it in your project. Then you will have to import the texture that is for the stat board. Once you have the material, you have to put it in the plane that you import. Then you have to create two verse files. The first one is for the strict system, and the second one is for the stats board system. In the stats system, you will paste the first code that you download from our Discord. Then, on the strict system, you will have to paste the second code that you download. Once you have both verse files, you will have to compile verse and you will get two devices. Then you will have to import both devices into the game and then copy what I do.